Alright guys, so today, so freaking unbelievably windy. What do you mean? It's like so windy today. Yeah. Did you know a couple days ago there was a tornado in down south? What? There was a tornado down south? Yeah, Jeffy. There was a tornado down south. Hey guys, I think all this wind is the leftovers. Yeah, no, yeah. So it's really loud. Is that cars or is that wind? It sounds really loud. So guys, if you guys get blown over, it's from the wind. Alright? Wow, we have our platforms. Well, we change, sometimes they're plushies, sometimes they're puppets, you know. A plush is easier. Yeah. Yeah, so I think this is some leftovers. Let's see a little bit of sky. So, just note it back. Oh no. They're not rain. It's not gonna rain, guys, alright? Wind's getting really strong. Wind's getting really strong. Guys, prepare. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Oh. Start again. You cannot kill me, you stupid wind. Yeah, I call you stupid. We could do better. Oh. Oh my god, Mario! Mario, you can't. Wait. Oh. Oh no. Oh, it is windy. Oh my god. Mario, it really is heavy. Mario, that sounds really loud. Wait, no. That actually sounds really loud. Guys, prepare. Because you guys might get blown away. Plus, I'm one of the skinniest, so. Mario. Wait. Mario. I think I can make it. What do you mean? Ah! I'm out. We're out too. You didn't walk through the neighborhood. Oh my god. Dad, are you okay? Jeffy, the wind took me out. Don't die. Uncle Luigi. Uncle Luigi, no. No. How could you win? You stupid, dumb wind. Sure you don't. Come on. Jeffy, I warned you. Jeffy! Oh. Perfect time. Whoa! Yoshi? Yoshi? Yo! What, Yoshi? What the hell is wrong with you, Yoshi? You wanna die? No? Ugh. Wind. Overlord. Did walk through the neighborhood? Oh my God! Jeffy! What the frick? One day I tried to go tan, and I saw it was sunny. Look, I didn't even get tan. Me seen her yesterday, and the other day. It's so windy. I heard on the news that there was tornadoes. Seems calm right now. An airplane. More speak. Be by my side. Always be by my side, Mario. Yeah. Just to warn you. It's pretty much not safe to be going to the outside because of the same wind. So, yes, it's not safe to be outside. Mario, do you want to die? To other tornadoes. Yo, basically, dude, I'm homeless. So I have power some twigs and rocks, and then I go to sleep. Joseph, you're dumb. Guys, I heard the same wind. Better get walking home. Ah! Hey guys, I'm gonna die. Hopefully my wind is gonna fly me up so I die. Here I go. Whee! Ow. Yo guys! Maybe a tornado they have toy balls. Yeah! Maybe. I'm gonna go up there. Eat balls. Hey, I'm so crazy. What are you guys doing? Well, I don't even care anymore. You know what? What should I do? I mean, it's very windy outside. What should I do? Maybe I can play some games, like in the wind. So, alright, Wind Cloud, you're gonna blow me in the air, and 3, 2, 1, Hey, stop staring at my voice. You know what? I'm told, so I can basically do anything. I'm gonna rap. I'm up in the sky, and I'm up in the sky. Yeah. Oh. I can't breathe. I can't. Guys, where's my bread? I'm starving. We don't have any bread. I'm starving. Hey, Clouds, do you have any bread? My bread. I'm so tired of Mario. Mario's always cheating on me. Mario! So stupid being outside. Stupid sand. I know you can throw me away. I mean, I know you just have 2 arms, but still. This is what I said. Kirby wants some food. Tornado food. Wee-haw! Yoshi! 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 Well, since I'm the fastest hedgehog alive, I can just escape and run. Time to run. Whoa, wait, wind burst. So stupid. Dad, are we gonna be safe during the wind? Well, Junior, we have nothing to worry about because we're not fattest. We're not the fattest, so we're not gonna get blown. Wait, so finally our body fat comes in use. Yeah, because the rest is skinny. But we have a lot of body fat, so it can't get blown as easy. Well, I'm kind of scared. Alright, well then we'll see if we get blown. Because, I mean, you might get blown, but I'm definitely not, because I'm fatter than you. Why you guys can't get blown? You know my dad can't get, we're so fat. So that's not a good thing, Junior. You have diabetes. Yeah, I know. Hey, stupid Win. You can't blow me and my dad. You have too much body fat. Junior, that Win can literally knock over a truck, which is twice as much as you weigh. So? Stupid Win. Ah! Oh! But you still have a lot of body fat. Oh, you guys are trash. You are too skinny, and I'm way fat. I'm not gonna get blown away. Bowser, you can even blow on trucks. Oh yeah, hey stupid Win, you can't blow me away. Too stupid. Wait. You. Ah! Okay. Why my no tree spot? There. Okay, I admit. I can blow anything. It can blow anything. It can blow anything. Whoa! Oh my God!